So we got to replace one of these meshes. If you look inside, that one is cracked and leaking water. So I'm going to unscrew it and just replace it. Hopefully I can get this on camera because this is really hard. Oh. There you go, it's already broken, so let's just take it right out. There's the broken one. Here's the working one. Let's just thread it back in, and this RV will be good to go. Tightening it here with my hands. There's a little rubber gasket there. No more leaks. Nice. Now if I turn the water on, the pump hopefully will just buzz and work. It's a step I forgot to do in the last winterization. Boo. That's okay. Not a big deal. Okay, it's tight. Alright. Turn on the pump. Gotta do a couple of other repairs. Gonna try to get some air out of the lines. There we go. And it stops. Do I hear any noises? Nope. That means there's a good seal, which is good. Whew, scary. Let's try the toilet. Nice. Nice. Spray out. Do I have it unlocked? What's happening here? Oh, there it is. Oops. It just took a while. There. That's good. Now I guess it's time to just do the hot water. So I gotta turn the hot water on, let that tank fill up. Alright, it's all good now. Boom. So this one here, physically broke last season. I just duct taped it and I said I'd fix it later. So I'm gonna get one with like a longer snout that's made for a kitchen and then fix it onto that piece there. Well, yeah, looks like everything's good. I checked all the water out. Everything's solid. Only thing that broke this year was that, and it was because it's my fault. I mean, you don't have to take this out, but taking this out is probably a good idea. In the 8 years, I've had this happen twice because I'm lazy. But I do have a bunch of these spare. It's probably not a good idea, you know, but it's what I do. So yeah, try to get some of these handy, all right? Peace out.